Hey everybody, how's it going? This video is about the pressure washer at my work and the quality of the water in this town. So, we of course run our shop off of city water, and the city water is just all kinds of hell on our plumbing because of all the minerals and stuff in it, despite the fact that it goes through all the processing and whatnot. This is cracked. So that tells me, because it's supposed to be on here like this, or, yeah, just like this. Nope. Wait a minute. This is all twisted around. Something like this. Okay. Well, this valve is completely broken. And now this is cracked. So this hose here goes up across the ceiling through the wall. And then this hose here goes to here, which goes into this line, which goes in through that wall, around the corner to the pressure washer unit itself. Now, because that's broken, unfortunately, I can't spray that off. As you can see, it comes through and it goes to that unit there, which allows this to spin anywhere around the room in a circle. It sucks, because not only did I want to try and get some of the sticker residue off, because now it's starting to really look gross. I wanted to bring the carpet from the HHR in and try to clean that up as well. But that ain't happening. That is not happening. It's mostly like this side here that I want to clean off, and I don't want to spend the money at the car wash to do that. Not when we've got a pressure washer here, which, yeah, it sucks. It sucks. But it is what it is. I was hoping that maybe, because this had broken not too long ago. The hose up there, was it up there? Yeah, the hose up there had ruptured. So actually, I don't know how that would have been fixed, because there certainly wasn't anyone that took the time to replace all that. Maybe, yeah, I don't know how it was done, but the hose had ruptured, I don't know, probably right around where it may rub on the wood. So that was repaired. Oh no, this is where it was. The hose ruptured here because too much pressure was going through it and just sitting in the lines here. Heated water mixed with whatever is in the water that eats away at everything. Because this is a problem all over town. We've got steam lines that run all over campus for heat, and those are constantly rupturing and having to be repaired because of the crappy water. But this sucks. So I guess it is worth it for me to go to the car wash and use it to spray all that off, as well as bring the carpet for the HHR with me. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what the point of this video is. I guess I just felt like making one. Which, I'll be making an actual video in the next couple days for the goals. Oop. Should turn the light on down there. Oh well. There's nothing here to trip on. Until I get to these junky ass machines. There's a trailer hitch right here. 2 trailer hitches there. And out the door. Alright, well, I'm gonna go home, get cleaned up because I stayed out the night. I'm not door dashing tonight or tomorrow. I'm gonna give this thing a rest. And yeah, go on my computer, finish writing up some goals for the year, and this must have been from yesterday, or the day before rather. Yeah, clean some stuff up and myself, and yeah. Alright, anyway. That's all there is for this video. Thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.